For my ladies that want to look good and still want to save some coins, this one is for you. In this video, I am going to show you how I achieved this gorgeous look you're seeing with just 4 products. So if you're interested in saving some coins, this video is for you. Make sure you watch to the end. Hi lovelies, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So today we are doing our makeup with just 4 products. For my ladies that want to save some coins but still want to look good, that video is for you. So these are the products we'll be using. This is a lip palette. This one is from iMagic. This is my foundation. This is a concealer. And this is a powder palette. These are just the 4 products we'll be using to do today's look. So if you want to know how they stand out, so just keep watching. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Joy, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. So let's just begin this whole thing. I'm kind of excited. So, okay, let's start. Alright my lovelies, with our skin prep done, we are just going to move into foundation application. Remember, 4 products only. I believe you all know how to do your skin prep already. In case you don't know how to do your skin prep, I have a playlist on that, so I'm going to leave it here for you. Please make sure you watch that playlist. Okay, so let's just go into foundation application. Let's start. Oh, seems to be dark, but we'll work with it. Let's blend our foundation. We are done with our foundation. The foundation is completely blended out. You see how that looks? Okay, so it's time for contour. Because we don't have any liquid contour, we are going to do powdered contour. So we are not doing that now. We'll do it later in the video. Just keep watching. So the next product we have, the next thing we are going to do is our blush, and we are using this lip palette for it. Yes, so picking it from here, I'm going to use a mixture of this pink and red. Because this pink is soft pink, it's actually for very light people. I'm not that light, so we're gonna turn it to, is it deep pink or what do they call it, that other type of pink. To blend that, I'm using this part of my beauty blender, and that is done. We are moving on to the next thing, which is our concealer. I told you just 4 products. Okay, this is the concealer we are using. Let's add to the areas we want to add more light. Okay, so let's blend with our beauty blender. This concealer blends. I love this concealer from where Blossom Makeup. Yeah, blend that forehead well. I don't normally put product on my forehead actually. Well, today I added little there. So for the under eye, let's blend. I've blended out my concealer. We don't have setting powder, don't forget. I said just 4 products. So what we're going to do now, we're going to take this powder palette. That's the pressed powder. We're going to take the puff. Oh, I've already had some powder in this puff. Let me take that off. We're going to take our puff and then choose a shade that matches our concealer. If your concealer is a bit dark, if you want to make it to be brighter, you can choose a brighter shade here. So me, I think I'll be going with this shade right here. I'll pick that. Oh, this shade appears to be dark somehow, so I'll mix it with this one. Please, it must not be too much. Still take off this thing, so in case you have excess here, still take it off, then you go in like this. With this one left here now, you go in. Our under eye is set. Remember that we didn't contour our face because we had no liquid contour, so this is time to do that. Just pick your brush and then choose a dark shade of powder. Dark shade of powder, the one that corresponds with your skin, and then you use that to contour. Use that to contour. Also, to snatch our nose, we are still using that same shade of powder, this particular one. We're using it to snatch our nose. We didn't do liquid contour because we don't have it today. We are doing our makeup with just 4 products, so, and that is what we are doing. It's time for my brows, so I'm just going to fill in my brows and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm done with my brows, so let's move to eyeshadow. For our eyeshadow, we are using this foundation. First of all, you can use your concealer, but I'm using my foundation because I have some foundation left here. To blend your eyelid, blend it to get rid of the darkness you have there. For the eye makeup, remember, we don't have eyeshadow. No eyeshadow today, so we are using this powder palette, the eyeshadow. So we are starting with this dark shade here. You guys see that? So we're starting with it, and then blend that here. Take more. After blending that all over the eyelid, what we are going to do now is to take this angle brush or your flat brush, and then we'll take our concealer. This is our concealer. We're going to do a little cut crease with it. Just a little, not so much. Okay, we do the same on the other eye. So next thing we are going to do is to pick this our powder palette. Pick this lightest shade we have here, or this. Let's start with this lightest one. If it's too light, I will go in with this one, this lightest shade I have here, and then I'll use it to fill in this place where I apply the concealer. If somebody see what I'm saying, oh my god, let's go. Let's go. Can you see what we've achieved? So to blend the edges here so that we won't have harsh line, we are going in with that very dark shade that we used before. We'll pick it and then we'll use it to blend everything. Who will know that you achieved this eye, that you achieved this eye look with no eyeshadow? Nobody's gonna know except you tell them. So there are ways you can do this thing without breaking the bank. Yes, you can actually make do with the little things you have. So look at that. So let's continue. After that, we are still going to take this powder palette and we are taking this dark shade here to smudge that on the eye. To create. So it's time for our lips. So we have our lip palette, of course. We are first going in with this brown shade. I'll be going in with this nude shade. Should I add a bit of red to that? Let me see. It's been long. I use red lipstick. Let me add a bit of red to that. They bad? It's not. To brighten the face a more, we are going to still take our powder palette, choose a shade that will brighten the under eye. Can you see that? And then of course here. So look at that. See what we created. Who is going to believe that you did this stunning look with just 4 products? Just 4 of them, and we have something stunning, beautiful. Like, oh god, look at that eyes. No eyeshadow. Look at that eyes. Nobody's gonna know. I know that you love this look as much as I love it. So what you're going to do now is that you're going to hit the like button, leave a comment for me in the comment section, and of course please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you're going to be the first person to get notified. Till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye.
Slow and bright, it's showing shadows, showing you the life just right. Blending those colors till the look takes flight. Toe wheels that shine like stars in the night. Joy and shadow, where beauty meets the vibe.